Hello everyone. My name is Neera Kumari. I am a trainee teacher of Siliguri Tarai B.Ed College and Siliguri Primary Teachers Training College. Today I am going to teach you very interesting topic of political science, that is a international organization for class 12 chapter 6 CBSE board. Dear student, today in this chapter we shall discuss international organization and its role. Dear student, first we shall discuss what is a international organization. International organization is an organization established by a treaty or other instrument governed by international law and processing. It's one international legal personality, such as United Nations. Example for WHO means World Health Organization and NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization. And next one is National System. Total member 193. The head office New York. UNO means United Nations Organization. 5 organs principal. General Assembly. Total member state 193. Each state only one vote. Minimum meeting in year 1st September. International Court of Justice. Total judge 15. Service period 9 years. 5 judges retire after every 3 years. Head office The Hague, Netherlands. Economic and Social Council. Total members state 54. Elected by General Assembly for overlapping 3 years term. Security Council. Total members 15. Permanent member 5. That is US, UK, China, France, Russia. US means United States of America. UK means United Kingdom. Temporary members 10. 10 elected by General Assembly for 1 year. Secretariat, administrative past of UN, international staff servicing that other principal organs headed by the Secretary General, who is appointed by General Assembly on the recommendation of Security Council of 5 years renewable terms. Next one is IMF means International Money Fund. Created 22 December 1945. Total member country 184. Head office Washington DC. Top 10 country have 55% vote. US alone 70.4% voting rights. Next one is World Bank. Created 1945 after Second World War. Head office Washington DC. Its work human development, environment protection, stability, infrastructure. It provided loan and grant the members country. Next one is WHO means World Health Organization. Created 7 April 1948. Head office Washington. Its work vaccination, global warming, and its effect. Atmospheric temperature rise cure some diseases for members country. Next one is WTO means World Trade Organization. Created 1st January 1995. Total members 150. Work, development, trade organization, business to member country. Next one is IAEA means International Atomic Energy Agency. Created 1957. Head office Vienna. Work to promote the peaceful use of nuclear energy and to prevent use for military. Next one is conclusion. International organizations are helpful in the another way. Nation can usually see that there are some things they must do together. There are issues that are so challenging. I hope you are understood this topic. Thank you for watching.